Hi, my name is Erica Robinson, and this is Sentence Completion Test, Social Emotional. So have you ever wondered what your students are really feeling or what they're thinking? So I have a test for you. This is a sentence completion series, and it is an introductory kit which includes the user guide and 15 of each test booklets, and it is only $140. The phone number and address are provided for you. So a quick summary, what is it? It is a test that allows students to complete the sentence. So think of it as a test that has 36 sentence frames. And it can be broken up into two sections of 18 questions each. And the test started in 1970. And this is to evaluate in terms of social emotional needs. So there was a standardization using the HAAK sentence completion test. And there are just some bullet points there. The study included 100 boys ages 6 to 11, randomly selected from students who were referred for emotional disturbance. And the data can be used to screen for screening, placement, identification, and placement of emotional disturbed children. So how would this work for your students in your classroom? So for instance, say you have a student named Wendy, and Wendy is quiet student who is hesitant to interact with her peers. So Wendy may be hesitant because she's feeling shy. So a sentence starter could be, I feel, and she can fill out the sentence. So for instance, Ronnie, when challenged academically, Ronnie withdraws and refuses to speak. So you can have a sentence starter. I feel overwhelmed when I am academically challenged. And I feel is a great morning starter to find out how your students are entering the classroom and how are they feeling. So I gave a couple other examples of Abby, who is a pacer, and she roams around the classroom and she becomes overwhelmed when she is provided with a non-preferred activity. So a sentence starter for her could be, I prefer to, instead of, so I prefer to play with Legos instead of doing my math. So then you can take that information that you just received from her and you can implement a this and then. So first, if you do your math, then you can play with the Legos. This tool can also be used to evaluate their IEP goals. So keep that in mind because this is a great tool. Collect these papers that they write on and you can use that for their IEP data collection. Now, what is the solution? The solution is to utilize sentence completion test. Now, a great example would be, my best friend is. Another one would be, sometimes I wish I could. The thing I fear most is. Today I would like to. I'd rather enjoy. I feel my future is. I gain strength from. These are some great examples of what you can expect on this test, and it will provide you with great insight on how your students think, feel, what they fear, and what they may love the most. So what are you waiting for? Contact us today.